volume's all the way up, y'all. Starting on a penny and we'll move around and see what it's gonna hit. Do it! Oh, shoot you. It's being a little tease is what it looks like. We'll stick here for a minute and see. Come on, come on. Oh, do it. We need 3 of those red lanterns. This has a $7.99 major, which would be freaking awesome. Oh, look at those numbers we had. Dang. Dang, dog. I've got like 10 minutes before dinner. Look at that. That was dirty. This one's been tough this whole trip. I've tried this slot machine so many times because I'm stubborn. Wow. Screaming around me. I didn't know what was happening. I still don't know what's happening. Oh, come on. Y'all screaming, go to the penny to finish. So here we go. We'll finish on pennies. Oh, look at that. Oh. Hey, that's got to be good, right? $22. Oh, come on. Ah! Go big or go home, right? Yeah. I converted the other half of my free play by being conservative. This one I was like, let's go for it. Nothing. This one is tough, man. All right, we're gonna move on.
Thank you for playing.
Let's move on to Dragon Riches.
Welcome.
All right, hold on. Chill, dude. All right. This one has a 634. That $19,000 major, though, guys. I've been chasing that thing since we got here. We get to go home tomorrow. Hopefully. Hopefully we do, anyway. All right, tens. Oh, I saw a major. balls. Oh, man. Let's try 5 cents. Of them. Oh shit. 2 more. Oh my gosh, look at that. Holy moly. All right. You got some work to do now. We need dragon. Not like that. We need you here. Oh, man. Ah. Not cool. There we go. Here we go. Sing us a song, baby. Sing us a song. Up, 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 up. There we go. We got this like this way, that way, that way, that way. We got that thing all kinds of which ways. All right. We'll hit the button. Ready? Set. Go. Ooh, 219. Yay! Nice. That was a nice look. Oh, do it again. Oh, look at all that good stuff. That was nice. I feel like you want to give it to me. You can just do it. Come on, right here. Ah, man. I think we're gonna take our $100 profit, y'all. Oh man, 250 bet. Oh, do that. Do it. Ah, cash out. I am cashing out. I've got 8 minutes to my dinner reservation. And we're gonna call that a win. All right, so I was just on a bar top slot. I had this ticket was 100, and then another 100, and then another 100. So 300 for the morning. But you know, like 197 in this machine, I think. Do it. Damn it. Not cool. If I don't get a bonus this time, I won't ever play this thing again. You're gonna be off my list. I do like the other one though. So we need 2 of those coins, remember? And then it needs to touch the money. Odd that it doesn't tease you more. I mean, maybe that's a good thing though. It's like, yeah, I'll tease you. You want to be teased? Let's go. Oh, it popped up. Oh, something's happening. I don't want Where that? Give me that. Oh yeah, we'll take that. Okay. At least we get to see what this does now. Alright, $56, I guess, because we got 4 triggers. Alright. So let's see. So we're either gonna get we're gonna get one of those. Games. Oh, let's do a maxi. Let's not do this here. We don't want that. Oh, we got $250. We'll take that. Big win! It's all gonna be okay, guys. Everything's gonna be okay. 300. Look at me now. I'm in the money. Remember I told y'all I was 300 in for the day. Now I'm making money, y'all. That quick. Just like that, it can turn around. Do it. Do it. Oh. I've only had that happen a couple times where it even made it look like I might get it. Well, we saw at least what one bonus does. Let's see what the other one does. Look at all those numbers on the side. There they are. There they are again. Look at that. So that means you know how to get here. You're just choosing not to. Alright, we're in turn 3. We won't let it go below 2. We're gonna see if we can't get this thing. I'm gonna cash up and put my ticket in again. Make it think I'm a new person. Look, a new person's coming. Oh, look at this new game, y'all. Oh, this looks cool. Let's try it. Sure, Ma, let's do that. Wonder what you need here. Last time, right when I got on this, we're at the machines in front of Sunset One Time. I'm filming. Look. That's my husband. No, what I was saying is last time when we got on this, soon after we got on this, we got a random. So. Oh, it bounced up. That's the same thing it did last time too. Is this a pattern?
It's just
This game is not very nice.
It's a cool game.
It would be cooler if it did give me a 250. It gave me a 250 major, but it's not giving me anything else.
Konami game.
Like what? Just a few minutes ago, my ticket was at $400 almost, and I'm only betting $375. That version pays well. This one, I'm just trying to get this bonus. That's it. That's it. That's a big cat on the phone. That's it. I don't know. I don't think think this one likes me, y'all. Anyways,